Starmed Medical Education Programs presents How Can I Build My Med School or Dental School CV? Join us and become our next success story, 100% acceptance into medical and dental school. Please do not record this talk. Disclosure, Drs. Silverman are managers of the MMI interview for the pharmacy school at the University of Toronto and the physician assistant program there. Why choose Starmed for your medical and dental school success? Because we have the highest success rate for our students and have helped over half of licensed doctors in Canada. Because we are a one-stop hub that offers advising for the best price. We have the following: a pre-medical, pre-dental program, research, conferences, awareness, high-impact activities, publications, amazing interview prep, wealth of experience as interviewers, the best Casper prep, unique statements, CV building, not just polishing, with 40 different CV building activities. And it's for pre-medical, pre-dental, pre-law, and pre-pharmacy. What does it take to get into medical or dental school? You need a well-rounded interview. You need marks. You need a good AMCAS score, awards, publications. You look at your work, memberships, activities, references, and of course, your statement. Canmeds, better standards, better physicians, better care. Canmeds is a framework that identifies and describes the abilities physicians require to effectively meet the healthcare needs of the people they serve. These abilities are grouped thematically under 7 roles. A competent physician seamlessly integrates the competencies of all 7 Canmeds roles. Those 7 roles are medical expert, the integrating role, communicator, collaborator, leader, health advocate, scholar, and professional. Why do you need a CV or a resume? It organizes your activities for application. It should start before grade 11 or 16 years of age. Shows your scholarships, the basis for ABS component. What, where, how long, what you did, your major accomplishments, the verifier. Your scholarships. It's good in UK, Australian, Irish, or European Union schools. Secondaries in the USA, and for residency matching. How do you create the most successful CV? Well, for starters, as with anything else, start early. Reflect. Apply the Canmed roles. Have a great layout. Spell check. Make it easy to read. Make it detailed. It'll help with the ABS. Have a 2-ring binder with all your accomplishments. Do meaningful activities for you that have a high impact, not just a checklist, and brand it. Here's an example. Shows professional highlights, education, easy to read, succinct, and a photo is always helpful. Note professional highlights, education, clinical experience, and certificates. All very well organized. Shows research experience, publications, again, well organized. Oral presentations, poster presentations and abstracts, teaching and mentoring experience, and administrative experience. Covers everything anyone would want to see. Don't forget leadership roles and membership in professional associations. All very important when distinguishing candidates. Note here, community service, which is always looked at, computer skills, which these days is very important. If you know more than one language, it's very important in this profession, in any profession really. And then, of course, a list of references. How do I improve my medical or dental school application? Start CPR. That's an acronym. S, scores in MCAT or DAT. T, transcript, just to say your GPA. A, advising. R, research. T, train in a clinical setting. C, CV and ABS. P, personal statement. R, references. Start CPR. What does it take to get into medical or dental school? Well, let's start with the S in STAR. S equals scores. Improve scores in the MCAT and DAT scores. Take prep courses. Kaplan is the best. Do lots of practice questions. T, transcripts. Improve your GPA by taking additional courses and enrolling in a postbaccalaureate program. Postbaccalaureate program must include, of course, prerequisite courses. A, advising. Get professional advice for your application. We can help. We've helped over 15,000 pre-medical and pre-dental students. We analyze your application and create a plan on how to improve it together with you. Our research, always critical. Get research experience. We can help you with our clinical research certificate to get publications, posters at conferences, awareness campaigns. We ourselves have 40 research projects. We are experienced researchers ourselves. T, train in a clinical setting. Get observerships with doctors and dentists. Volunteer in hospitals and clinics. Do global health. We have an excellent course in global health. Get a clinical researcher telemedicine certificate. We offer 2 months, once a week, 2 hours in the evening to get that certificate. Get a suture workshop. We offer one free for our clients. C, CV. Improve your curriculum vitae and ABS. We can help build it with various projects. 40 projects are available at no cost for our advising clients. We will edit the CV professionally. P, personal statement. It's more important than you would think. Rewrite your statement to make a compelling story. Include examples related to Canmeds roles. We can create a first-rate, stunning personal statement that can showcase why you are a perfect candidate. R, references. Improve your reference letters. Have a combination of academic letters from your professors, clinical letters from a doctor or dentist, and from a research or teaching supervisor. Make sure the reference follows instructions and guidelines. Some schools in the USA allow you to upload up to 10 references, something to keep in mind. We have an application boot camp with Starmed MEP, the #1 pre-med advising firm in Canada. Here's our synopsis. On the first day, you have a workshop on med school applications and course selection. You build your first pre-med resume. We have team building activities, which is fun, but it also enhances your skills. We have a workshop on extracurricular activities for medical school applications. We have a workshop on how to get scholarships, a workshop on how to get the best reference letters, very important, a workshop on how to get clinical experience and medical skills, and a workshop on how to use social media for the medical school application. But that's not all, because then we have day 2. On day 2, we create a stellar personal statement for medical school applications. You attend a first aid course, you get a certificate, and you learn how to apply it. We create a disease awareness brochure for our Flowers for Cures project, original to Starmed. A workshop on how to find research opportunities, research for models of preclinical testing global project. Learn about PubMed and bioinformatics. We then have a workshop on medical school interviews where you practice your interview skills, and don't kid yourself, that is critically important. Learn how medical history and physical examination is performed with doctors. Meet and greet with doctors and learn firsthand from them about the medical profession. We, of course, reserve the right, as circumstances may change, to change the summer camp program at any time. This year's dates are August 9th and 10th of 2021, between 10 in the morning and 5 in the afternoon. The cost is $226, including the GST. All 5 campuses are presently closed for physical interaction. That may change, of course. All 80 programs are currently delivered online. Please contact us using the contact form on our website. We have a Midtown Toronto campus at Yonge and Sheppard. We have a downtown Toronto campus at Yonge and King. We have a USA office in Buffalo. And our phones and emails are, in fact, on our website, which is medschooling.img.com.